Holy shit. You got kids in there?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Hey, can I get the kids out? The cops okay? Can you tell what happened?
We didn't have, we got to move them out.
Yeah.
They're stuck in here.
Oh shit, are you okay?
There's a son behind there.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey, can you call 911? Oh my god.
Maybe the child died.
Oh my god. Okay, I need an ambulance right here. Right here. The guy T-boned. Come on, there's kids right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Horror. Holy shit. Did you guys get him? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You gotta make a report.
Oh, these poor kids.
No, we gotta report this because it happened in our
Good. But there's a kid stuck on this whole other side of that bus is caved in. That's just caved in. It was like a T-bone accident apparently. It's really nasty. I wonder if we know those kids, you know? Oh yeah, nasty, not good. Poor bus driver, man.
My car's right there. It doesn't matter. I was a witness to it. Yes.
Guys, drag this off, don't let nobody pass them. Are you sure? Are you? Huh?
No.
Okay, guys, you're still on the
No,
side.
I was a witness. So you're just...
Oh, the witness. Okay, I'm sorry.
In the intersection, man, that utility car T-boned this one.
Where are the victims? Where are the victims?
This poor little girl right there in the wheel well, man. Oh. She okay, man? She okay?